Welcome back to the channel. This is Azibase, your front row seat to the lives of Nigeria's elite. Today, we are stepping into the world of the one and only Pastor Chris Oyakhilome. Pastor Chris Oyakhilome, founder and president of Love World Incorporated, also known as Christ Embassy. Born December 7, 1963, in Edo State, Nigeria, he is one of Africa's most influential pastors and evangelicals, with an estimated net worth of $41 million, equivalent to 57 billion naira. Pastor Chris has built his wealth through his expansive ministry, salvation programs, and business ventures. He resides in an ultra-modern mansion in Lagos and drives luxury cars including Mercedes-Benz, Toyota Land Cruisers, and Range Rovers. He also owns a private jet, which he uses for his international ministry. Renowned for his healing services and prophetic teachings, Pastor Chris has investments in television stations like Love World TV, as well as in real estate. While his wealth has sparked rumors, Pastor Chris continues to focus on expanding his ministry. He remains a dominant figure in Christian media and continues to influence millions worldwide. If you love exclusive access to Nigeria's finest, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload. Azibase, stay connected.